So calm and cool when nights are long, where shadows hide and winds are strong. The weight of shock will crush the weak, but trembling hands will soon find peace. To wake the beast of heart and mind, to chase the stars that softly shine, to see the light in endless space. It calls him with a sweet embrace. I wander through the unknown air, a thought so loud yet light and rare. The winds will carry echoes near, a song of hope I long to hear. The colors dance, the clouds will sway. Our breath moves fast like light of day. The wreck of time will twist and bend. The broken paths will heal again. To wake the beast of heart and mind, to chase the stars that softly shine.